Sharon here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you two different ways of hiding your subscriptions from your own YouTube channel. Now you might not be aware of it, but there's actually a tab on your channel called Channels, and this basically lists all of the channels that you're currently subscribed to if you're currently set to public. I don't know about you, but I don't necessarily want my followers to know that I'm secretly obsessed with watching hundreds of videos about trucking and about those videos that show you how to make really teeny tiny miniature food from polymer clay. I don't necessarily want my followers to know that, so I've actually got mine set as hidden, and I'm going to be showing you how to do just that. So as always, please give it a thumbs up if you find it helpful. I need all the help I can get. So thanks a million for that. I really appreciate it. And let's crack on. So this is what I mean when I said about the tab across the top called Channels. It's just here in between playlists and discussion. So if you click on there, this then lists all of the channels that you're currently subscribed to. So I'm going to show you now how to change that so it's actually hidden from view. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you're actually logged into YouTube as your channel. Go up to the top right corner to your profile icon, your profile image, click on that, and then go down to one called Settings. This basically opens up your YouTube account settings. On the left hand side now, click on Privacy, and in the section Playlists and Subscriptions there is a button here, Keep all of my subscriptions private. You just need to make sure that that's turned on, and you'll see in the bottom left your changes have been saved. So that means everything's automatically saved. You don't have to do anything else now. So now when you go back into your channel, go across to your Channels tab, and this channel doesn't feature any other channels. So that's a real quick way of hiding your subscriptions from your own YouTube channel. The second way of doing it is if you're actually in the back end of your channel and you're customizing your channel. If you go down to Settings on the left hand side here, go to Channel, click on Advanced Settings, scroll down to the bottom and go to Manage YouTube Account. This basically opens up the same as before, your actual YouTube account settings. And again, go across to Privacy and make sure that the Keep all my subscriptions private is switched on. And that's it. Two real quick ways of managing what your followers can see on your channel. As I said before, I really do appreciate it if you give this a thumbs up to help my channel get a bit more noticed on YouTube. I really do appreciate it. Thanks a million. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Do you have your subscriptions public so everybody can see them on your own channel, or do you keep them hidden because you don't want everybody to know exactly who you're following? Let me know in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.